Yes, my people. I'm here going to make some chicken foot soup today. So I'm gonna put on the water. So I'm gonna add some salt, a little salt. Not enough, no, because I don't want the soup salt. I don't want Teresa blood pressure for go up. Alright. So I put on the cover on the pot and give the water some time to boil. So yes, my people, this is what I'm going to put into the soup. Some Irish potato, some fresh carrot from the market, pumpkin, corn, and a piece of yam. So I'm going to peel them now and put everything in one. And they already say dash in. We get the soup body. So the soup pack rich. Teresa gonna make pen from morning for buy the breadfruit and all. No minutes she come. So now guys, the water is boiling. Alright, so we're gonna add our chicken foot. Ooh. So we add our chicken foot and let it cook. So when the water start boil out now, we put in the corn and the pumpkin, guys. So soup nice. I've body and make sure put all the chicken foot in there. I'm gonna cook enough soup, so I don't want nobody running pan the pot. Like bling, I don't want bling running pan the pot, so I make sure I cook it quick. So make the chicken foot them go and boil a little. So let's open the pot again, guys, to put in some garlic. And stir it, make it go and boil. Okay, go and boil a little, guys. So guys, the water is boiling. Alright, so that is the corn and the pumpkin, the carrot and the Irish. Remember now guys, if the corn have no string on them, I no corn. Okay, put in the corn. We'll wash corn and thing. Put them in. Get a little stir. Guys, I have no big pot. Remember, say I just before we live. So I have no big pot, guys. No big pot. All the wallpaper drop off of the wall. To Rasta. So, guys, I left that for cook look on it. Some real Jamaican chicken food soup this. Master God. No, sir. Now call Teresa and see which part she reach. Alright. I know far she reach. Miss Paula want some of the soup, yeah, Ashley? So you know after that done, we put in the carrot and the Irish. We buy the carrot and Irish in a Maple Market from Miss Pat. Big up yourself, Miss Pat, with the nice fresh fruits them. Nice fresh carrot and nice fresh thing. And them reasonable. Alright. Alright. Alright, my peeps. So the pot are boiled. Hey. Hold them, hold them, hold them, hold them. Okay, guys. Pumpkin that, you know. Okay. Soup well thick and nice. So, I'm gonna put a little Maggi all-purpose. You know, just a little bit. Because I don't want it too salt. So I put enough. I don't want it too salt. So a little Maggi all-purpose. And then I put none of that one in there. Alright. So put that too thin, you know. So I don't use this pot because it's very thin. Next you're gonna put the cock-a-doodle-doo. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright. Teeny chicken noodle. Put in the cock noodle. Jamaican style. Look at that. So you know the next time when I see it, eat me I eat. Drink me I drink up my soup and thing. Okay, man? Okay, okay. Jerry say okay, a big bowl. Good day, care bowl. Tajin, this is what I look at the soup, you know? When dumpling them, tajin. So yes, guys, this is it. That's it, guys. So I just want the noodle cook. Just want the noodle to cook. And in the next 5 minutes, I can turn off my stove. So yes, my people. See?